Anyway, everybody, we're moving. We've not had much, no activity really here tonight, so we're going to head off to another location. We're having a think where we're going, so you see us in the next part of our video where we're heading to. But I just want to show you inside these, because I think when I came I didn't show you inside these bunkers. So some of you who've watched these videos before, you would have seen these before. So this is what they look like inside. So they probably would have stored ammunition and things like that in these probably, or they could have slept in here. So, but up here we have seen birds nesting here, like swallows or swifts. That's nesting here before, but there's no birds in here this time. But when I've been in the past, there's been birds up there nesting. So interesting. Oh, look outside of that bloody thing there. It's a big spider. I'm not going to go near him. It's like arachnophobia. Oh, look at that one. It's like blinking arachnophobia up here. Blinking hellfire, another great big one. Oh, and another one above my head there. Oh, it's definitely arachnophobia. Blinking hell. Let's get out of here. Blinking spiders in the edge on it roof. They're blooming massive. As big as your blooming thumb. Let's look in the roof here before we step inside here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Not as many here, not like the other side. Yeah. Very muddy in here. So yeah, they could have, soldiers could have slept in these, had bunk beds or something inside. And what do you call it, or they could have kept ammunition in these and so on. So John's just packing the rest of his stuff here, but before we set off back to the car, I've got a good probably 10 minutes walk back to the car. Noticed that when we came in there was a building at the end, an old brick building, like an arched building, and that's disappeared, it's missing. So I'm not sure what's happened to that. You see a lot of planes flying around here, John.
Eh?
You see a lot of planes up in sky flying over here. There must be a flight path over this way.
From
probably Manchester or something like that.
Or yeah, across how would I say?
Manchester, Leeds,
Doncaster, doesn't it?
Well, there's Doncaster, isn't there? It's shut down, Doncaster, isn't it?
Yeah, they're just talking about these two bidders going to bid for it or something. You know?
Oh yeah, what? Open it back up?
Yeah. Just talking about it other week.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I heard rumours that somebody was on about restarting it back up. It's a shame, really.
It's a shame. Why did they shut it?
I don't know. I don't think they were making any money. I think they only do like flights to Spain and that, don't they? From there. I don't know why they don't turn it into like an international airport. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Something like that. We're gonna start moving, so hopefully I can film while we heading back to the car. This is gonna be interesting. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it actually. Huh.
Hey?
I said I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it.
What?
film and carry this stuff.
No.
That's this is going to be the hardest part about it, John. Right. There's an holding camera and oh, I might be able to do it. Hopefully. You ready?
Yeah.
So we're off, everybody. We're heading back to the car. Good 5. Ooh. Yep. It never gets any easier, this ghost hunting, John. We're carrying equipment and I know we'll say, oh, we're going to cut down, but then when we cut down, it's just careful here, John. Those rocks are here, just below here.
It's easier climbing. When I got to that bit where I've got to climb up here,
Yeah.
I
That
got,
rock there, careful.
yeah, I've got this weight on my back, like,
Yeah. Yeah, I'm dropping everything here. Nothing's going right for me. It's these blinking chairs, these blinking camping chairs. They're a bit of a nuisance. I said I was going to start using my rucksack. So I've got a good rucksack at home. Ouch! I need to start using it again. So that's one of the bunkers down here we didn't get a chance to get to. Oops. I think we're going the right way. Oh, are we going the right way? Are we going the right way, John?
I don't know.
We're not lost, are we? I think we are. So, yeah, it's yeah, I think we are. We're going the right way. We're all right. Well, I think we are we? Oh yeah, we are. So yeah, just down here, everybody, there used to be what you called like a...
Oh, we're all right.
Yeah, we're all right, John. There used to be a bit of a brick shed down here, but for some known reason it's... Hey?
Did you walk this one?
Yeah. Ah, it's a good 5 minutes. Yeah, we will get that in a minute. Oh, look at the moon up there, everybody. Nice full moon. Yeah. First day of summer today, 21st of June. Eh?
It's last night.
No, it's tonight, summer solstice.
No, last night.
Was it?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm sure it's today, 21st. What date's it today? Oh, it's there, that bit of a shed. That's that shed I was talking about there, John. Half-shaped shed.
This what?
That's that shed there.
Yeah.
So that's a bit of it what's left. It's because old bushes are growing over it now. Oh, gosh, I think this blooming lamp's starting to run out as well. Hey, let's just have a bit of a rest here, John. Let me tidy myself up a little bit. Hey.
This seems further coming back.
Oh, let me just, what they call it,
Breather.
have a breather a minute. Let me just put that down. Because my arms are aching like mad.
Yeah.
You know, holding all that. Just have a minute. So I've got a good 10 minutes of filming.
Younger.
Hey?
We're not getting any younger.
No. so across there in front of us is the lake.
I don't know whether it's any good taking me. I've got some infrared lights and all,
Oh yeah,
so I don't know whether it's any good taking them.
yeah, it'll be alright. It says if you got an infrared camera.
Well, that
Right.
one I've got that.
Oh, for taking photos, yeah, that'll be alright for that, you know, to illuminate it a bit more.
Yeah.
So that'll be pretty good with that. Yeah, we walked down there, didn't we, down that path when we last came. We had a great walk down there.
Yeah.
Kill mosquito, midges that surround us, John.
Yeah, I know.
See them all?
Yeah.
Thousands.
Lights.
Yep, want it light. You want to get to the light, they're trying to go to the light, John.
Yeah.
They must think they're dead. They're trying to get to the light.
Yeah.
I wonder if that stories come from the same thing, you know, with like insects want us to get to the light. I wonder if that's all made up, that go to the light.
I don't know.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. The ring with people having near-death experiences have maybe said they've seen a light.
Yeah.
So.
They probably have seen a light. It's when they're dying. It's like I don't know. I'm in no rush, but we're all going to get there one day.
We'll find out.
Yeah, sooner or later. We're all going to go down that path.
But remember, when I wrote with South Yorkshire ghost hunters, we've got to report back.
Yep, if there is a on the other side, John, I'm going to be a human hunter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder if there's any paranormal groups upon the other side.
Yeah.
Trying to contact us.
South Yorkshire human hunters.
Yeah. Yeah, we can't be ghost hunters, can we? On the other side, we've got to be the living hunters.
It's stuck with ghost hunters. It's got to a world of ghosts.
Yeah.
So,
But we could still be called South Yorkshire ghost hunters because we'll be ghost.
I know, but we'll be South Yorkshire ghost hunters for humans.
Yeah. Hunting the
Living.
yeah, the living.
It smells strong here, that.
Yeah, it smells very pondy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is uncomfortable carrying this. Just give me a minute, John. Oh, it's really uncomfortable. There you go. I'll jump over the furlong. Head to the Mario. We walked down that way, didn't we, last time we come?
Yeah.
And it took us to that farm type thing. I think it was stables. There you go.